In today's video, I will walk you through how to combine multiple layouts into one PDF file in AutoCAD. To begin, go to the command line and type Publish, then press Enter. The Publish window will appear, showing a list of the sheets and layouts in your drawing. Review the list and remove any layouts you do not want to include in the PDF file. To remove a sheet, right-click on it and select Remove. Once the list contains only the layouts you want, go to the Publish To drop-down menu. Select PDF as the output format. Check the layout list again to make sure all the required pages are included. When everything is ready, click Publish. AutoCAD will ask you to choose a location for the PDF file. Select the folder where you want to save the file. Wait for AutoCAD to process and combine the layouts into a single PDF document. Once completed, your PDF file will be created with all selected layouts combined into one document. And that's how to combine multiple layouts into one PDF file using AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.